Hello. So today two of my babies are sick. See, very sick. So let's treat them. Let's treat them. So help them with their medications because they can't take it on their own. So before treatment, first what did I do? When I found out they were sick, I isolated fast. You isolate fast. Whenever you detect any of your birds being sick, isolate them. So after you isolate them, then you start with your medication. That's how it's being done. You don't leave them there and be treating it. You infect the other birds.